good, YouTube? What's good with y'all beautiful people? See, look, oh snap, where you at?
Yes,
that's my boy Hector, my dog. That's my brother. We out here in Fort Pierce, so
Delaware.
We just no, don't tell them where we at right now. They can't know all that stuff. Just know there's nowhere in the world. But look, right now we finna tell y'all how this shit goes. Hurricane's coming, so I hope y'all safe. Hope y'all got some safe place to stay at. Keep the truck, but I'll catch y'all in a little bit. I'll catch y'all when this shit get rowdy out here.
A few moments later.
Just came out of Walmart to get some shit because I don't know. We don't got everything we need, but everything is packed out here. I'm just gonna walk out here, take a little tour.
Shut the fuck up! Over there! No, bitch!
Man, we're just gonna vlog out here for a little bit. We don't even need no shopping cart to be real with you, bro. Alright, we're gonna catch up in a little bit. I don't know where we're going. Alright, we're in the food section. I know we're going the opposite way, bro, but there's too much people to go around to. We'll take a little tour around here. Alright, now we go this way. Alright, now we out.
2 hours later.
We just got back. I'm driving right now. It was a long ass wait. If I can count all the minutes, shit, to be honest, I would have never counted. That shit was long as fuck, just know that. And this Walmart is stupid packed, as y'all can tell. Everything's packed. But one thing is, y'all better pull out the pad in the pan and take some notes, because I hate when people over here be like, oh, gracias, like, damn, y'all assuming I can't speak English, like, tighten up. That shit's a no-no. I know this AC is fucking up the sound, so I got my phone up a little bit. This hurricane shit is like driving me crazy and shit. I don't even know how the fuck to get out of here. I ain't gonna say that one. Slide. That's the shit that pissed me off. Well, it don't really get me as mad because it's like, you know, it's normal type shit. But at least just try to have a normal conversation. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Alright, it's your boy T.S. Pancho. According to my forecast, we are on the East Coast. So this Hurricane Dorian, whatever the fuck you want to call it, is coming towards us like fuck all y'all. He's like, I'm tired of all y'all. He done made everybody buy up the gas and food. Every time I go to Walmart, bro, that shit is dead, bro. That's not even dead, bro. That shit packed.
No, we got a little bit of rain today.
It's a lot of rain coming too.
And a lot of rain coming too. So, yeah, y'all boys be prepared for this shit. Y'all be safe.
You can tell, bro, as soon as it comes, bro, my little tiny ass, oh, it's coming, bro. We getting mad.
Shit, it's coming.
Dang, run. Y'all stay safe though, bro. This gonna be a vlog. Alright, hold up. Now my dog Hector gonna tell him what's up.
Bro. So listen, bro. This shit, weather ass as fuck. We finna get some rain. And listen, bro, you know me, bro. If the rain come, bro, I'm gonna go outside, bro. I'm gonna be on the news.
Fucking right in the pussy.
So, you know, look at Channel 5. And hopefully I don't get blown away, because this weather, this shit gonna blow my ass. I ain't even gonna cut to y'all boys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this shit.
Look, there's a car coming. It's a truck.
Hey, y'all, we posted up to Fort Pierce right now. This shit, we just got some rain a couple minutes ago, but ain't really looking as bad.
This shit live.
Gonna be.
Like, if you could tell by the trees, the winds are very slow right now. Once again, when that shit hits, we gonna get blown away. Damn, I ain't even bring a skimboard or shit, bruh. I need to go find a kayak, but we gonna catch y'all later.
I'm here with T.S. Pancho. What do you guys say?
Man, to be honest, right now it's a category 0.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This hurricane's about to knock some shit down. do some hectic stuff. As you can see, we're on the East Coast. That way is the West Coast. East Coast is that way. All this shit's coming this way. This shit needs to go over there. Turn around, Spider-Man over there. God damn it. We gotta run for our lives. It's not safe. We gotta go. It's coming. Oh shit. To be honest, the streets are very empty. You guys gotta stay safe. Hope all of you guys are safe. All right. What do you guys say?
Shit, this hurricane ain't gonna hit us, but this hurricane pussy as fuck. It ain't hit us yet.
Look at the camera. Don't look at me.
So yeah. So what you gotta say?
I gotta say a lot of things. To all my peoples, y'all better be safe. Stay safe, please. Find a shelter. It don't matter if it's somewhere. Just hide. Cause this hurricane's coming right around the corner. Why are you laughing, Ma? Alright, back to me, man. Alright, we gonna catch on a little bit because I'm trying to catch all this action and all this hectic stuff. So I'll catch you guys in Spliff. As you can see, we are here with Channel 5 News. Oh shit, I can't even zoom in on this angle. I'm trying to hop on the news right quick, so if y'all catch me, oh shit, I'm about to step in some serious water.
Hold on, bro, should I leave my phone in the car, bro? I'm gonna go leave
My shit waterproof, so straight.
Leave my phone too.
It don't matter. We all out here. They got me on Channel 5 News. You dig? Y'all catch me out. That's a move. Shit, I forgot. I got my wallet in my pocket. I gotta go back to the car and drop that shit off. I'll catch on. Alright, it's your boy TS Poncho. We're here, and what do you got to say about this weathercast?
Shit, it's windy as fuck. Talking about it's windy as hell. We were just at the news reporter shit. But yeah, we got a lot of rain coming. And shit, as you can see, look, point the camera over here to the water. The water coming out and shit. The water coming out. Look, point it right there. Look, the water coming out. We at Sanskrit Park right now. Damn, the shit. It's like, damn. I'm pointing at the dock over here. The dock, already getting flooded. Water already getting on that bit. Look, there's just tree that just a little palm thing that just fell down. The wind is coming heavy. I'm saying right now, I wind about 45 miles per hour.
You're looking away from the camera. You gotta look at the camera. All right, look. According to this, this shit's getting me wet. Nigga, face it over here, bro. Oh, who the fuck would be calling, bro? Anyway, we're back to this weathercast, and the video. We are here at Sanskrit, and this water is very tremendous. And nigga, what are you doing? Pointing at me! I have you as a cameraman for a fucking reason, goddamn. This water is coming out, and yeah, the water's jumping out. There is very high winds. We were in Channel 5 News, so if you guys want to check it out, please check it out over there. Channel 12 News, whatever the fuck it is. Alright, we're here. The water is very high tide. At any moment. Any moment. Oh, fuck! Hey, what are you doing? I gotta talk to some people. Alright. Excuse me, I have a question. How do you feel about Hurricane Dorian?
I love it.
You love it?
God, but it didn't hit us.
Well, I love the water out here.
Yeah.
Alright, God bless you.
God bless you.
Alright, back to the next resident. Now we're just walking around. Oh shit, I got the phone upside down. Right out here, there's people fishing. Loving the environment. What do you have to say about Hurricane Dorian? It sucks. Alright, man. We're out here walking around the little boardwalk. Point to all the people out there. Show everybody. Damn, this water, I'm fucking soaked, bro.
Yeah, we're soaked.
If Hurricane Dorian is seeing this shit, your mom's a hoe. I don't know why Irma came. I don't know why all the other hurricanes came. But you guys are assholes. Y'all can suck a dick and leave us the fuck alone. And we're really out here doing this stuff. Right now we are just walking. Look at the water. It is very high tide right now. And it's like a hot mess. It was raining. Now my hair is kind of stiff.
I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck what it did. That's their problem, not mine. My hair is fucking messy. I think channel 12 or channel 5, whatever fucking channel it was, they left. And I think I was on it. The camera guy pointed at me or some shit. I was vlogging still. But it don't matter. At this point, I don't even care how long the video is. I just have so many different clips. And from like different days. Like I did this shit yesterday. Started vlogging a little bit. Now I'm out here doing this shit today. One guy still jamming out. I can hear his music. Some other guy said that he loved Hurricane Dorian, so what a positive guy. I hope he has many blessings coming his way because he's very happy about this. Shut your ass up. We are walking around this Chico land out here. It's mixed with everything. There's some people fishing or not. Well, yeah, there's people fishing out here. There's people swimming out here in the water. I will catch you guys when I get close. I'm kind of really pissed right now. They're all packing their stuff. There's Troll behind. Walking around in the water. There's nobody swimming out here no more. Yeah, get that shit on video too. You know what's up. I know this is very disgusting, but I had already got soaked, so it doesn't really matter at this point. I'm not that far away from my house. Chill, bro. Don't you dare, bro. Oh, fuck, I'm about to trip. Alright, yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. And hopefully I like the video because it's not really something that I would like usually post, but since it is hurricane season, I had to do it for the one time. Thank you guys for getting my last video to 400 and something views. I appreciate all of y'all for that. Hopefully this video can get more views. I know it was kind of boring, but I try to make it somewhat lit. Not really, but thanks for watching, and that's it for today.
Okay, I walk like a chick, talk like a chick. If a nigga try to rob me, then it's off with his neck. I'm a walking alligator.